Hi, I'm Miss Rachel. Today we're going to go through a yoga sequence that has all balancing postures. So these 6 postures really work on engaging your core, making sure that your breath is stable, you're rooting through the ground. You want to make sure that you're thinking about bringing your belly button in towards your spine during all of these poses, and that really when you're balancing on your feet, if your hands are on the ground, that you're thinking about bringing all of your muscles in towards your bones. So your body is able to balance and hold different positions as long as you're using your breath well and as long as you're really stabilizing your muscles by providing a lot of energy. So those are kind of some of the cues and the keys for this class. We're going to learn 6 different poses throughout the class. Tree pose, eagle pose, warrior 3, half moon, reverse tabletop, and boat. But first, to begin, we're going to start out with a couple breathing exercises and just a warm up to bring the blood flow to your body and to make sure that you're ready for these balancing poses. Step your feet hip distance apart. Clasp your hands underneath your chin and take a big breath in with me as you raise your elbows up towards the sky. And exhale, open your mouth and let it go. Let your head drop back. Again, inhale, bring your elbows up towards the sky, shoulders away from your ears. And exhale, let it all out. Your head drops back. One last time, big breath in, inhale. Elbows rising up towards the sky. Fill up all the spaces in your lungs and exhale. Head drops back. Great job. Let your arms hang. Maybe wiggle them out a little bit. Wiggle your whole body. Shake your head one way. Shake your head the other way. Go ahead and take a big breath in. Let your arms reach up towards the sky. And exhale, forward fold. So that your hands are close to the mat. This is our first ragdoll pose of the day. You're going to use it to really find space in your spine. Hold your elbows, rock back and forth. Maybe shake your head yes. Shake your head no. Bend your knees as much as you need to feel a nice stretch in the back of your legs and your spine. Inhale, halfway lift, the crown of your head reaches forward, you have a flat back. Exhale, forward fold, hands come to the mat, feet walk back into a plank position, drop your knees, and bend your elbows so that your body goes towards the ground. Inhale, push up through your hands, or an upward facing dog, feel a nice back bend. And exhale, tuck those toes under, hips move back, and find yourself in downward dog. Upside down V. You're rooting through your hands, feeling the energy through your feet. Belly button pulling up towards your spine, shoulders away from your ears. Take a big breath in here. Exhale, walk your feet forward so that they meet your hands. Inhale, halfway lift again. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees slightly and inhale all the way back up, pressing through your feet. Exhale, hands come to your heart center. Great job. The first pose that we're going to go into is tree. So we begin in mountain pose. Our feet are touching, toes are touching. Find energy through your feet. So pretend like your feet have roots and they're growing into the ground. You really want to press down through your feet and begin to tighten up the muscles right here in your upper legs and bring your belly button in towards your spine. Let your arms rest by your side. You're going to inhale and bring your right foot up towards your leg. Whoop. So the bottom of your foot is touching your calf. If you want, you can have your toes as a kickstand on the mat, or you can have your leg at your calf. Or if you want, the final option is to bring your foot all the way up over your knee. Make sure to skip your knee and have it be on your thigh. Then you're going to bring your arms up so that they become your tree branches. We're going to breathe here, really hugging your spine in, keeping your shoulders away from your ears, and we're going to give this 3 big breaths. So inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. One last big breath. Inhale, reach those branches high. Exhale, bring your right foot down towards the ground. Wiggle your legs out and find mountain pose again. We're going to do it on the other side. So your right foot now is going to ground into the earth. Pretend like you can feel the roots of your right foot rooting down into the earth. Inhale, bring your left foot up, either kickstand on the ground, at your calf, or all the way up above your knee. Remember, not on your knee. Exhale and squeeze that foot in to your leg so that your foot to your leg becomes a branch. You're fusing that branch into your leg. And inhale, arms come up towards the sky. Again, we're going to take 3 breaths here, holding the pose. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale. One last time, inhale, exhale. Great job. Hands come down, branches come down, and left foot meets the earth. Great job. And remember, it's always okay if you're wiggling a little bit in these poses. They're hard. You can fall out of them, but the wonderful thing is, if you fall out of it, you can get right back in it. Okay, eagle pose. This pose, you're going to bring your right foot up and cross it over your left leg so that your right toes become a kickstand beside your left leg. Then you're going to put your arms out in front of you, cross your right arm over your left, bend your elbows so that your hands come towards your face, and then your palms are going to face each other. And if you can wrap your palms around each other so that they're touching. Or if not, you can have the backs of your hands together, whatever is most comfortable for you. And then you're going to bend your knees and sit into this eagle pose here. So you want to make sure that your shoulders are lined up with each other. You want to make sure that your knees and your elbows are in one line. We're just going to take a few breaths here. So inhale. Expand your chest into your elbows, and exhale, sit a little bit deeper. Good job, forming a nice tight eagle pose here. Inhale, and exhale, sit a little bit deeper. Great job. Come out of it, untwist your arms, bring your right leg back over your left leg, and we'll go right on into the other side. So left leg can cross over the right, kickstand on the opposite side. So this time your arch is away from your body. And arms out in front, bring your left arm over your right arm this time. Bend those arms and let your hands connect to each other. Inhale, your spine is long, and exhale, sit back into your eagle pose. Again, we'll take a few breaths here. Inhale, feeling your ribs connect to your arms. Exhale, sitting a little bit deeper. One last breath in here. Inhale and exhale. Squeeze your body tight together. Great job. Shake it out, shake it out. Moving into Warrior 3. You're going to step towards the back of your mat for this one. So step back a little bit. This one moves a little bit fast, getting into the pose. You're going to inhale, step your right foot forward, arms come up towards your ears. You can have a slight bend in that right leg. And exhale, you're gonna reach your arms forward and let your left leg tip up towards the sky. You wanna pretend like you have a plate on your back that you're holding steady. So your right knee, see how my right knee is slightly bent? I'm really pushing into the ground with that right foot. My arms are stretching out in front of me, and my left toe is pointed back strong, 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 strong. Take a deep breath in here. Feel yourself reaching forward, and exhale, tip back. Bring your feet together. Awesome job. Moving on to the left side. Inhale, left leg steps forward, arms reach up, and exhale, fold forward. Bending that left leg so that you find really good, strong support down through that left leg. Squeeze your upper left leg, so your thigh area. Squeeze all those muscles nice and hard. Make sure that you're sending energy through your fingertips and out your back toe. Holding it here for one more breath. Deep breath in. And exhale, bring your feet down. Great job. That's a hard pose. So if you were wiggly during that one, if you fell out, again, don't worry. Balancing poses are all about trying again. Even if you fell out, make sure that you continue visualizing what it would look like to reach your goal of where you want to go. The next pose that we're going to do is half moon pose. So you're going to begin in a star position. So turn and face one side of your mat. I'm facing the left side of my mat. My right foot is forward. And my right foot is going to point towards the top of my mat. Bend into that right foot and put your left your left hand onto your left hip and reach that right arm forward towards the top of your mat. Then as you reach that right arm forward, bring your left foot in a little bit and slowly hinge at your hips so that your right fingertips are on the ground and your left leg is in the air. Just like this. So your right fingertips are on the ground, rooting strong through that right foot. Make sure that all four corners of the foot feel the earth. Whoop. You can flex that back leg and send energy out through that back heel. Take a deep breath in here. And exhale, bring the left leg to the earth, right arm up, and feet meet together at the top. Great job. Moving into the other side. Right leg comes back, left toes pointed towards the front of your mat. Arms reach out beside you, really strong, out in opposite directions. Bend into your left leg. Put that left fingertip forward towards your mat. Right hand meets your right hip. Begin to slide your right foot forward and lean forward until you make contact with the earth with that left fingertip. Whoops, see, I'm wiggling a little bit. Oh, I'm falling out, but that's okay. You just get right back in. Sometimes one side is easier than the other side. We're all made very differently. Just keep your breath here. Think about all four corners, that left foot rooting into the earth and bringing energy out your right heel towards the back of the room. Left hands can be on the ground. You can put a block or a book in front of you if you want something to hold on to, water bottle. And bring that right foot back down, back into star pose, and meeting at the top of your mat. Great job, guys. Now we're going to go into our last two poses. Both of them are on the ground, reverse tabletop, and then boat. So reverse tabletop, you're going to sit on the ground, plop yourself down here. Whoop. Your feet are going to be hip distance apart, about a foot in front of your hips. Your hands come under your shoulders. Inhale, get some stability in your core, and exhale. You're just going to rise up. So you're going to pretend like you're a table and rise up here. You want to make sure that your hands are underneath your shoulders, your belly button is coming in towards your spine, just like someone could put a platter right onto your table. Your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Great job. One last inhale. And exhale, bring it down. Good job. Stay seated just like this. Now boat pose. Inhale, your arms come forward. So as if you're reaching out for a friend, but don't lean forward like this. Make sure that you're still leaning back. Your shoulders are back. Pinch your shoulder blades together a little bit. Your arms are strong. Core in. And exhale, bring your feet up so that they're in the same line as your hands. So your calves are parallel to the earth. You're squeezing your belly button in. And all of a sudden, you look like a boat. Inhale here. And exhale. One last inhale. And exhale, bring your feet down. I like to take a couple of rock and roll. So you can just hold on to your legs, rock and roll a few times. Great job. Meet in a seated position. This is an awesome time if you just wanted to lay down, rest, thank yourself, thank your body for the practice that you just went through. If you want, you can find the directions for all of these poses on our Instagram page. And congratulations, you just learned 6 new yoga balance poses. I hope that you have fun trying them out. You can try them with different props. You can try them with maybe your family member, a sibling. If you wanted to do a partner pose, those are always available as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Happy Wellness Wednesday, and namaste.